Now, we got our case with our sealant on it. I'll make sure inside the combustion chamber, or not the combustion chamber, but the crankcase chamber, we want to make sure there's no sealant. And you slide this directly in place. It's being stubborn. I'm gonna give it a little tap. Alright, when you get close, take your crankcase bolts, negative. That one goes there, but that's got a bad spot. It's previously existing, so we're gonna skip it until last. Everything else is looking good. There you go, right up there. Now, I want to use power tools for this. Bye-bye wrench. I'm going to use a 5mm Allen. Make sure you get the ones that down inside here. They're actually the more critical ones. We're going to start with them first. You want to do like 2 turns on that one, 2 turns on that one, come out here, 1, 2, same here, 1, 2, got some grit on the end of this damn wrench. And go back here. Main focus is around the crankshaft area, because that's where your problem's going to be. Just like it just pushed the seal out up top. My main focus right now is walking the cases on evenly. Alright. Now we can work on these out here. I believe these are like 8.3 or 7.8 foot-pounds is the torque spec. So we'll get the torque wrench out in here in just a second. Torque them down. Get the old O-ring out of the way, or I end up thinking I'll drop one. Now, all right. Where the hell's my socket? It'll turn up. It's 5 millimeter. Just knock the motor over, would I? We'll take. See, that's good. We can go past that. So we'll go to 8. It's like 7.8, I believe. Let me get rid of these damn blocks. They piss me off every time I use them. I have an engine stand that I work on engines that attaches to my table, but it doesn't attach to this table. So I'm not used to using wooden blocks, but that is like a square wooden block. I think it's 8 inches by 10 inches or something. 2x4 block is actually the way to go. Put that there. It popped out earlier, I believe. There. Now, back to this. The hell? That's what I heard a while ago, is crap that's actually inside that bolt. Says 8 foot-pounds, but it started beeping and buzzing while I go at 4, so look, I changed it. There. Gone a little bit over on them. I'm gonna try to speed this up because I know y'all don't want to sit here and watch me torque every one of these. Alright. Sorry, I keep hitting the camera. I'm not used to doing this in front of a camera. Let me try this one up here. There we go. Alright. All them are done. That's the one that goes right there, but I'm going to have to fix it later. I'm going to probably take some Belzone or JB weld or something and build that up. I should have had it welded. Anyway, so there's the lower unit. It's coming together. Right here in the middle. I just want to scrape that off before it dries. Also, one other thing, since the last little bit we actually used the case bolts to suck the case halves together, what you want to do is, let me get my block. I'm going to put that right there in the middle just so it's not hitting the ground or not hitting the table. But right here, you want to take a brass punch is fine. Just put it at the bottom what we're doing is we're setting that bearing on that crank. Just a couple of taps is all you need. There. That way there's any pressure that was left and it's seated now. See?